Most people think attractiveness is about looks, but psychology says otherwise. There are tiny micro habits that make people instantly drawn to you. No perfect face, no money, no gym required. And once you learn them, your presence changes completely. So here are the science-backed micro habits that make you instantly more attractive. First, the 1-second smile. When you see someone, don't smile immediately. Hold eye contact for just 1 second, then smile. Psychology shows this makes your smile feel more genuine, confident, and magnetic. It's a tiny shift that changes everything. Second, slow your movements. Attractive people don't rush. They walk slower, turn slower, and speak slower. Why? Because slow, controlled movements signal confidence and emotional stability. Next time you enter a room, move just 10% slower. You'll feel more powerful, and you'll look it too. Third, speak a little slower. Not too slow, just enough to sound calm and certain. Studies show that slower speech makes you appear more confident, more intelligent, and more trustworthy. Quick talkers seem anxious. Slow talkers seem in control. Fourth, hold eye contact when you listen, not when you talk. Most people misunderstand this. You don't become attractive by staring while you speak. You become attractive by staying focused while the other person speaks. It shows presence. It makes them feel understood, and feeling understood is extremely attractive. Fifth, lower your tone slightly. You don't need a deep voice. You just need to speak from your chest instead of your throat. A slightly lower tone signals maturity, confidence, and emotional grounding. Breathe deeper, slow down, let your voice settle. People feel the difference instantly. Sixth, keep your hands visible. It sounds small, but hidden hands trigger unconscious distrust. Visible hands signal safety, warmth, and honesty. Show your palms when you talk. Rest your hands openly. It makes people relax around you without knowing why. Seventh, use the eyebrow flash. A tiny upward raise of your eyebrows when you greet someone, barely noticeable, instantly makes you more likable. It signals friendliness and recognition, and humans are wired to respond positively to it. Eighth, use people's names naturally. Not too much, just enough for them to feel acknowledged. Hearing your own name activates the brain's reward center. Say their name once when you greet them, and once when you say goodbye. You'll stand out immediately. And finally, leave people feeling better than you found them. This is the strongest form of attractiveness. If people feel calmer, happier, or more understood after talking to you, they will naturally be drawn to you. Attractiveness isn't just appearance, it's emotional impact. If this helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more, and comment, "I'm improving," to join the community.